let be this image our inspiration for the creative letter style effect that I will going to teach you for today. So let's search for a basketball player. I want it to be like a single player shooting a ball. For example, this one. And let's remove its background and put a grayscale effect on it. And if you want to adjust it according to your style, to your preference, you're free to do so. And let's now put a text, and I prefer to have a bold font so it will be clear on the viewer's end. Resize the letters according to your preference, or just balance it according to the size of your design, and make sure that it is appropriate, or the position is appropriate for the image on the design, so it will look more creative. Make sure to put some of the letters in front of the image, because it will have an effect of, I think, it will have a very nice effect, as it will have a creative look on it. You can always play along with your style, with the letters. Don't worry about mistakes. It's all part of the designing process. Just keep on practicing until you perfect your desired letter style. You can actually add some overlays or other elements on this. Just like this one, I prefer to put an overlay of lines and just customize it to the colors you want it to be.